Retail stores today need to answer to a wide range of requirements in order to meet customer expectations and profitability. Trying to optimize one of these processes often comes at the cost of another. In a future new digital world, this will no longer be true and can easily be implemented. Let's have a look into the near future. Intelligent refrigeration systems will generate data to allow the system to self-repair before you even realize there was a decrease in performance. No disruption in the store, no physical intervention. Profile templates will be developed at the overall store level to adjust to external factors, to optimize the store performance and energy consumption. Imagine each store has its own health index for refrigeration systems that will allow you to stop overreacting on alarms and improve compliance while doing so. Heat shocks can be calculated and predicted. Abnormal disruptions are detected and addressed immediately, while normal disruptions are understood as such. Food safety is redefined by taking the food type, restocking patterns and shelf life into consideration. Continuous monitoring allows for non-compliant signals to be detected early, and a safe mode will be automatically applied to avoid food losses. Processes are streamlined and analyzed to eliminate overcooling or inefficiencies. Each store scoring system highlights unused potential and future optimizations. Properly utilizing data is our vision for the future. Thanks to machine learning and adaptive capabilities, new value will be generated by using data from both suppliers and customers. Your store becomes a living organism with adaptive strengths that are geared towards continuously improving its resource use, adaptability, and performance. Throughout this journey, Carrier will stay at your side to guide you through digitization and transformation. When our vision for the future feels like time travel.